Starts now.
Very good evening to you and welcome to ABC4 News at 6 o'clock. I'm Sarah Murphy. Brian McElhatton is off tonight. We're glad you're here with us on this Thursday. Tonight, we're following the latest on the former Box Elder County judge accused of child sex crimes. It's been a big story up north. He's accused of talking to the former Tremonton Fire Chief about sexually abusing children and being in a sexual relationship with him. He made his first court appearance today. ABC4's Northern Utah correspondent Kate Garner was there too and brings us the latest.
It was a pretty packed courtroom for proceedings that lasted really just a matter of minutes. When Kevin Christensen appeared, he asked the judge to set a date for a decision as to whether or not he wants to go straight to a preliminary hearing. Christensen faces more than a dozen charges, including
2 counts of dealing in materials harmful to a minor, 3rd-degree felony. You have 3 counts of attempted aggravated sexual exploitation of a minor, 2nd-degree felony on each of those.
Hearing the judge read his charges was kind of made my skin crawl a little.
Abby had Christensen as a judge when she was 18 years old and felt like she needed to be in the courtroom.
I'm so sorry to the victims' families, to his family even too, I can't imagine that that's easy by any means, going through all this.
Christensen was in court for less than 5 minutes. He was soon followed by former Tremonton Fire Chief Ned Brady Hansen. He faces similar charges, and court documents link him to Christensen. They say the two had several graphic conversations regarding child sex abuse materials and were reportedly involved in a sexual relationship. He was in court for a little over 5 minutes.
What makes this case unique is you have somebody in a position to trust, a judge and a fire chief who we know have background checks. We know they don't have criminal past, and they're held to a higher standard.
Utah criminal defense attorney Clayton Sims breaks down what that means.
If they are convicted, there may be harsher sentence.
He says it's likely what also draws people to the case.
I think that people are very disturbed by it because of their position of trust.
Christensen will be back in court on April 24th, and Hansen will be back on May 1st, both with their decision as to whether or not they want to go straight to a preliminary hearing. Hansen was also denied bail this afternoon. Reporting from Ogden, Kate Garner, ABC4 News.
Following